Greetings folks and welcome to another unboxing. This time we're after New Year's, we are in 2019, so I wish you all a happy new year. I hope everything goes well for you in 2019. I hope your dreams come true. I wish you everything. I wish you the very best. I didn't wish anyone happy new year in the previous video because it was pre-recorded. It was if I remember well, recorded on the 28th of December, so I didn't know if it was gonna be published before the New Year's or afterwards. It was published afterwards, as you can see, but doesn't matter. Wish you now happy new year and the very best. So today we have an unboxing. As you can see, it is of this adapter and another box. Now this adapter, as you can actually see, is an adapter for lenses. It is actually for the Canon EOS M, and that actually gave away that this package should include the Canon EOS M, and it does so. It actually includes a lens as well for full frame cameras, but that's what I need the adapter for. It is a kit lens actually. The Yongnuo lens, the 50mm f1.8, hasn't actually arrived yet. I ordered one, and it's one of the best value for money lenses out there, and that's why I went ahead and purchased it. But yeah, in general we have this adapter which we're gonna box, and the box from MPB, which sells used cameras. If you knew the company, you would then know that they sell used gear, and I have a used Canon EOS M here and a used kit lens. I got the Canon EOS M for around £114, but let's unbox it and talk about the details in a minute. Okay, so we unboxed, not really professionally, but we did some work. So here's the package. Now, as I can see, they did a very good job with packaging. Man, oh my god, oh my god. Damn, I mean, you know what? I somewhat trust them with packages because, come on, what the hell is this? That's extraordinary. I mean, I haven't got that in any other package. I mean, it is, oh god. Okay, good. Plus points. Kudos for that. Anyways, then we have, in bubble wrap, obviously, the camera. Here's the camera, you can see it. Here you go. It's here. Yeah, in an actual box. I don't remember if I got it like this. And the lens, I don't know if it's in a box right now. No, it seems like not. So anyways, we have the like receipt, I think, here. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna show you the details anyway. So this was the box, obviously the unboxing. Like, it seems like they did a great job of packaging the content of the package. I mean, it's a used market, so you would expect that because, you know, these items are used, and you're not really expecting. So unbox the adapter as well. You're not really expecting like a bad job because, you know, you kind of paid for a used product and it has to be taken care of. So here's the adapter. I can say it's not very heavy. It's probably not from metal. It is probably made out of plastic. It has a mount over here, which is a good sign because, you know, if you have a really big lens, you can always mount this and have some stability, some extra stability. Now, in terms of this lens, let's take it out of the bubble wrap. Let me do that. Give me a second. Man, this sounds, I mean, oh god, oh god. Oof. Okay, so here's the lens. Seems like a metal lens. I think I ordered the 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens from Canon. You can see here. So yeah, it has autofocus as well, which is a good thing. You can see here, you can toggle it from AF to MF. I don't know if this lens is gonna be any like good, because you know it's just a kit lens, but it does the job, because you know it's 18 to 55 millimeter, a pretty good range, and when adapting it to an APC sensor on the Canon EOS M, which I'm gonna unwrap right now, you are getting actually somewhat a 28 millimeter to 80, like 90 millimeter range, which is pretty okay, you know. It's a pretty good range, and it's for most uses it's gonna satisfy. So yeah, it's a pretty good lens. It's a pretty good kit lens. Now here's the Canon EOS M. You can see here in the box. It doesn't have all the content as I remember. Like, let's see actually. So, opening the box, pretty good box, nice box. We have a strap, pretty nice. I didn't remember there was a strap. Pretty nice. I can like carry it with me. There's a case. Pretty nice case. I think it's for the cable, because yeah, you can really fit anything else in here. Then we have something that was unboxed by the original owner, and it has nothing in here. Then we have the charger. I don't think it's for the battery. Actually, you charge the battery separately. Pretty good. Nice. It has a charger. Expected. Now here is the camera. Man, it's it's pretty heavy duty. Like, for such a small camera, it has a nice heft to it. You know, it's pretty damn well built, as I can say. Like, it has the cap right here. We unscrew it. The sensor is unhidden. Anyway, here's the screen. I can't really remember how many inches it is. I will tell you about it in the review, but I think it's somewhere around like 3 to 4 inches, because you know I really have some experience with 4-inch phones. Anyways, yeah, you have the record button here. You have your typical buttons right here. You have 3 modes. Not anything special. Like, this is a hot shoe mount, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, it's a pretty damn like normal Canon EOS M. Now, in terms of its condition, it's pretty good. Like, as I can see, it doesn't have any scratches. It's like new. I mean, it's amazing. Like, it's like I am unboxing a new camera, because it was all pretty damn well taken care of. So it's in a pretty good condition. It seems fine. I'm gonna test it, obviously, but it seems pretty good for now. Yeah, so let's leave it here. Now, I don't know if we have anything in this compartment. Not really. So yeah, those were the contents of the box. So I'm gonna put this in the corner. So alright. So now we have the Canon EOS. I'm here. We have our adapter. Let's unscrew the rear and front cap. We'll leave them right here. Now let's unscrew the cap here as well. Now let's mount the adapter. Let me see. Okay, pretty good. Snug fit. Doesn't really have any like wiggle. Doesn't wiggle. So it seems pretty good. Amazing. It's pretty okay. So now let's get our lens. It's over here. So let's take off the rear cap, put it right here. Let's take off the front cap and let's mount it right here. Let's see. Mounted. Pretty good. The fit is pretty good. Like it feels solid. It doesn't really go away. I mean, it's pretty good. So let's open the camera now. Let me. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna have any battery. Does it have charge? It has charge. Amazing. Oh, it's in German. Oh my god, it's in German. Okay. That's not really good. Oh, and it doesn't have really. It isn't really charged. You can see here. Wait a minute. Let me show you. Right here. Because it doesn't have a charge, let me show you how the lens. Okay, anyway, it seems like I have to do some work before that works as intended. So this was the unboxing of the Canon EOS. I'm gonna like get back to you in a minute. Let me charge this, put an SD card on it, but that's it for now. Okay guys, so back to you after charging the battery a little bit. I didn't fully charge it because I don't really have the patience and I have to finish the video so I can edit it. So let's again put on the adapter in here after removing the cap, the front cap. Pretty good, snug fit. Let's remove from here the caps as well. Here you go. Let's clean the lens a little bit here. Okay, good. And let's put it. Wait. We are right here. Good. Okay. So let's open the camera. And let's get to photo mode. Good. Okay. So we are at manual focus. The stabilizer is off. Let me put it on. Let me turn it on. Now, in order to manual focus, as I actually learned, you kind of do this thing. Yes, you know, I didn't expect that, but you know, it's my first time with a mirrorless and a zoom lens actually, because I think that happens in zoom lenses because you know you kind of put the focus ring on the end of the lens. So here's the end of the lens, so you kind of focus like that. You can see here. So yeah, that's how you focus. The autofocus, let me switch to autofocus. It is noisy. Let me let me kinda let you hear it. Wait. Here. It's noisy. It's really noisy. Yeah, you know, it's not annoying. But as you can see, I mean, it is noisy. You can't really deny that. You can see here. It is noisy. Anyway, let's switch back to manual focus because I can't really hear the noise. So yeah, in manual focus, things are way less noisy. I mean, the focus is not that smooth. Like if you can see here, it has that like feel that it's not that smooth. I mean, you can pretty much control it, but it's not as smooth as someone would want it to be. Now, so the lens is pretty basic. It's a kit lens. You kind of expect that. Kind of expect it to be basic, you know. It has a pretty basic build quality. It's made out of plastic, you know. It has some metal components, but it's more or less plastic. The adapter is plastic as well. The only the weight of this setup is not much. You know, it's a pretty good, like, I would say, what, like half, you know, I don't know, 200 grams, like 400, I don't know. I mean, I couldn't say it's a kilo or something. I mean, it's a pretty lightweight setup, even with the adapter, and it's a pretty good one. Now, I will put some sample photos and some sample video at the end of this one, and please wait for the review for a more comprehensive look on this camera, because in the unboxing I can't really tell you my opinion. I don't have the specs ready so I can remember them and tell you what this camera is able to do. I know that it does 1080p 30 fps. It's an 18 megapixel sensor, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, the thing is, I went with this camera because it's the cheapest one with interchangeable lenses, and really I don't really need a fast autofocus or anything that a pro would want, because, you know, I want to just learn. I want to just learn from experience with this camera, because, you know, you don't go to full frame from the beginning, you know. You kind of wait till you have the experience and can operate a full frame camera to its full limits. And I'm gonna probably install Magic Lantern on this thing. I don't know if I'll make a guide on how to and what my settings will be, but I will probably do that. Install Magic Lantern. It actually enables the Canon EOS M to shoot 2.5K RAW video, which is pretty amazing stuff. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Canon EOS M and the kit. Canon 18 to 55 millimeter lens. I think it's f3.5 to 5.6 aperture. So yeah, that was the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.